Hi, and welcome to Lady Lash. COVID-19 has changed quite a few things in our world, and although you can expect the same great service here, there are a few things that have changed at our salons as well. So let us take you through some of the steps we have in place with our COVID Safe program to ensure that everyone is as safe and healthy as possible. In order to practice safe social distancing, you will find signage and also some seating indicators, and may be asked to wait in a second waiting area.
Signage in each salon will direct you to wash your hands before being seated or going into your appointment.
We kindly request that you arrive only a couple of minutes before your scheduled appointment time to minimise numbers in our waiting areas. Please come to your appointment alone. Unfortunately, we're unable to accommodate additional guests, including children, at this time.
If you have any symptoms of COVID-19, please contact us ahead of time to cancel or reschedule your appointment. Our team members also have daily health checks, including temperature checks, before they start their shift each day. We'll give hugs a miss for now, but we will have some other ways to greet you.
As always, our therapists will wash their hands before and after your treatment, and they'll also sanitize with an alcohol-based sanitizer regularly throughout the appointment. Our therapists will also be wearing more personal protective equipment in the form of masks, eye coverings, and in some cases face shields. Upon request, they will also wear gloves during your treatment. In order to be able to disinfect our beds properly between each client, we won't be able to provide blankets or soft furnishings anymore. So if you get cold, please bring warm clothing or your own blanket. Treatment beds and contactable surfaces in rooms will be sanitised with 70% alcohol disinfectant wipes between clients. Ample time will be kept to allow for this. Any other bed coverings will be disposable and disposed of immediately after treatment. As always, any non-disposable implements such as tweezers will be cleaned as per council regulations and soaked in a biocidal solution as per the manufacturer's guidelines.
Welcome to bring your own mask along with you to wear. Otherwise, we'll give you one. Please do wear it for the duration of the treatment. Whilst you're in our salons, please keep your shoes on at all times.
Tap and go payment or direct deposit will be encouraged wherever possible to limit cash transactions. If you need to make lots of future appointments, it's best to do so online so that we can minimise contact at the reception desk. Any contact points such as FPOS machines and iPads will be disinfected with alcohol wipes between clients. Rigorous cleaning will be performed daily and high contact points will be disinfected throughout the day.
Thanks for choosing Lady Lash. We're really looking forward to seeing you soon. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. You can also access our COVID Safe plan on our website at ladylash.com.au.